If x is smaller than 0, here is the 0. Smaller means will be here. Okay? And or equal, did he say or equal? Yes, he did say or equal, right? So in this case, this will be bracket here. This will be bracket here. Okay, so we will shade this, of course, coming from minus infinity. So coming from minus infinity to 0. So you can write the interval notation like this, from minus infinity to 0. Okay, in the same order, the small on the left, the big on the right. Okay, this is bracket, and the minus infinity or the infinity is always open. Open means it is not one of the possibilities. It is never possible to reach infinity or minus infinity. Okay, so that's why it's always this is open. Open end means not included, means parentheses. This is closed end, means it's included, part of the values. So that's why we use a bracket. Okay, so that's one of them. We can write this also as an equality. X is smaller than or equal to 0. Okay, that's one piece. The other piece is I have something completely different. At 9, I have something bigger than 9. We shade all this region that is basically more than 9, including all the way till infinity. Okay, but this time I use parentheses because he didn't say equal to, so it's only parentheses. Again, I have or. Instead of the or, we don't really write or in this case. We write union. Okay, the or means union. So write the union of these two intervals. Here we write or in inequalities. Okay, but in the case of interval, we replace or with a union. Okay, and the interval notation as you expect from 9 to infinity. This is parentheses, and this is also parentheses. If you write this as inequality, okay, this one from 9 to infinity means bigger than 9. So greater than 9, that means x bigger than, or you can say greater than 9. So this is now the inequality. X greater than 9 or x is smaller than or equal to 0. Two pieces. In the graph, 2 pieces in interval notation and also 2 inequalities. Okay, that's another way of writing combined inequalities. We have the union of two intervals. One interval here and one interval here.